The result surprised me, of course, and for this reason we are not happy, we are disappointed, we didn't play well, we had problems above all building up the play from the back, and then we were not well organized when we attack, we didn't have balance. Doesn't have to happen, but sometimes can happen. It's a pre-season, we need time to prepare well the official game.
No,
we don't buy another striker. I think that today was not a problem of Lewandowski and Müller. It was a problem of the team. We tried the second half, and the second half was better, but the strikers that we have are enough. I think that the James doesn't have problem. It's only 1 week that he is with us. He's comfortable here. I think he played well today. Of course, he needs time, like the others, to be in better condition, but he will not have problem to play in Bundesliga and to play in our team. But it's true that we had problem on the right side, but we doesn't have to take only consideration the 2 players that played on the right, also the midfielders that sometimes have when the defender, when the right back push, they have to cover, to have balance, and we didn't have balance in midfield. For this reason, we conceded counter-attack on the right side. About Neuer, he will be ready at the beginning of the season.